Hello guys, this has been Marian and I'm back with another video. So, we're here in Camp Alaric Marbles. Let's go. So basically, this is located in Bagumbayan. Bagumbayan, asa na? Man, sige. Go. Nakisuda din maging cameraman, no? So this is the flag of LGBTQ. Joke lang. I'm not LGBT guys. I'm just wearing this cap because for style. Sige, go pa. Ipakita niyo. Ay sa magic lang ng sige pa. Sige go. Maulog ka. This is a beautiful view. There's a beautiful view here. Okay, show.